Today we are going to study reaction of alcohols. First is reaction with sodium, oxidation, esterification reaction, halogenation and haloform reactions, dehydration reaction, and formation of ether through Williamson ether synthesis. When alcohol reacts with sodium at room temperature, then it forms salts. Sodium alkoxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. The general reaction is 2ROH plus 2Na gives 2RO negative Na positive, that is sodium alkoxide and H2 gas. Example, CH3CH2OH ethanol. When treated with sodium, it forms sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. The order of reactivity of alcohol towards the reaction with sodium is highly reactive will be CH3OH, that is methanol, then 1 degree alcohol, then 2 degree alcohol, and least reactive will be 3 degree alcohol. Now oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, alcohol is treated with PCC in methylene chloride solution at 25 degrees Celsius. Then it results in formation of aldehyde. So you can see here 1 degree alcohol, when treated with PCC, it results in formation of aldehyde. If the same alcohol is treated with copper at 573 Kelvin temperature or with CrO3 pyridine, then it results in formation of aldehyde. The reagent is CrO3 pyridine. Here misprint is there, so note down this. CrO3 pyridine is known as Collins reagent. CrO3 pyridine, when dissolved in methylene chloride, then it is called Collins reagent. So we can oxidize 1 degree alcohol to aldehyde with both PCC as well as with the help of Collins reagent. Same oxidation can be carried out with the help of acidic KMnO4 or acidic K2Cr2O7 or acidic chromic acid. When 1 degree alcohol is oxidized, then this reaction results in oxidation of alcohol finally to carboxylic acid via the formation of aldehyde as an intermediate. So here are some examples. CH3, CH2 whole 4, CH2OH when treated with PCC, it results in formation of hexanol. 1 hexanol when will be treated with PCC, CH2OH part will be oxidized to COH part. Similarly, when 1 hexanol is treated with acidic KMnO4, KMnO4/H plus is indicating that KMnO4 is acidic. K2Cr2O7/H plus is indicating that K2Cr2O7 is acidic, or CrO3/H plus indicating that this is chromic acid. Then it results in oxidation of alcohol to carboxylic acid and 1 hexanol is converted into hexanoic acid. While if we treat 2 degree alcohol with acidic KMnO4 or acidic K2Cr2O7 and chromic acid, then it results in formation of ketone. And in case of 3 degree alcohol, there will be no oxidation. So instead of oxidation, elimination reaction takes place and there will be formation of alkene. Remember that when we try to oxidize 3 degree alcohol, it will not undergo oxidation. For oxidation, there should be at least one CH bond in the molecule. CH bond means CH-OH bond. Means the carbon with which OH is attached, there must be one hydrogen attached to that carbon. Only then oxidation will take place. If no hydrogen will be there, like 3 degree alcohol here, then instead of oxidation, elimination reaction takes place. And as a result, there will be formation of alkene. Here are examples. 2-butanol when treated with acidic KMnO4 or acidic K2Cr2O7 or chromic acid, then it results in formation of butanone.